In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GearUp Booster in Roblox on PC. So before we begin, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So make sure you check that out to try GearUp Booster completely for free. So once you come to this website over here, what you want to do is click Download for Windows over here, and then you want to wait for this to download. Once it downloads, you want to open it up and then wait for a few seconds for it to load onto your screen. After just a few seconds, this will install onto your computer. As you can see over here on my screen, this is going really quickly. Once that's done, it will start loading and it will open up your GearUp booster. There we go. Now from here to use it in Roblox on PC, what you have to do is go over here where it says search and boost. And then you just want to type in Roblox. Okay, so just like this, as you can see, Roblox Corporation. You want to click on that and it will tell you it's only available to logged in users. So it will be added over here to your home screen. Then if you want to play Roblox via this, you just want to click boost. It says available to logged in users only. You want to press login and then log in with either your Google account or your Facebook account. If you don't have an account yet, you want to click sign up over here and then just press sign up with Google or Facebook. Once you've done that, you'll be able to start using GearUp Booster for your Roblox gameplay.